Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this session we'll solve this tricky problem. So here in this problem we'll find the value of x and we have the expressions 5 raised to the power x plus 6 and that is equal to 6 raised to the power x plus 5. So friend, now for solving this we'll recall one identity. We know the formula a powered by m plus n. So it is in the form of base and powered by 2 plus values, means we can write it as a powered by m multiplied by a powered by n. Here the base is same and we multiply the values. So this expression we can write 5 powered by x multiplied by 5 powered by 6. Similarly, in the right hand side the base is 6. So it is equal to 6 powered by x and we'll multiply it by 6 powered by another value, that is 5. Right? So this is the expression of this value. Now we'll solve this. So now extract the value of x from here. We'll divide this side by 6 raised to the power x. So we'll divide it by 6 raised to the power x so that here the x value will be cancelled. So here 6 powered by x. Now from the left hand side we will cancel the value of 5 powered by 6. For that we will divide both sides by 5 powered by 6. So here left hand side as well as right hand side will divide by 5 powered by 6. So here we wanted to cancel 6 powered by x, so this value will be cancelled. So in the left hand side 5 powered by 6 and 5 powered by 6 is cancelled. So the remaining value we will write. So here in the left hand side we are left with 5 powered by x, that is divided by 6 powered by x, and that is equal to, here it is 6 powered by 5, so it is 6 powered by 5 divided by 5 powered by 6, 5 powered by 6. Now here the base is different but the power is same, that is x and x. So it is in the form of a powered by m divided by b powered by m. So we write it as a divided by b and whole powered by m. Similarly, we'll write it as 5 by 6. So it is 5 by 6 and powered by x, and that is equal to, in the right hand side, 6 powered by 5 divided by 5 powered by 6. Now for calculating the value of x, we'll take log both sides. So now if we'll take log, the left hand side will be log 5 by 6 powered by x. In the right hand side we have log 6 powered by 5 and that is divided by 5 raised to the power 6. So this expression, it is in the form of log a powered by x. So we write it as x in the front. So we write as x log a. Similarly, we'll take x in the left hand side. So it will be x log 5 divided by 6. And in the right hand side we have log 6 powered by 5, 6 powered by 5, and that's divided by 5 powered by 6, right? Now from here we can calculate the value of x by dividing log 5 by 6 both hand side. So we'll write x is equal to, so this value will divide by log 5 by 6. Now look at here, it is log 6 powered by 5 divided by 5 powered by 6, and now this value, so it is log 5 by 6. Now here again we will use log formula. It is in the form of log a divided by log b, means log x divided by log y. So here log x divided by log y, we can write it as log x minus log y. So this value x is equal to, we'll write it as log 6 powered by 5, here x minus y means log 5 powered by 6. Here the numerator value will subtract by the denominator. Similarly, in the denominator we'll write log 5 minus log 6. Now this expression again in the form of this expression. So we'll take 5 in front. So x is equal to, we can write 5 log 6 minus, here it is 6 we'll take in front. So it is 6 log 5. 6 log 5. In the denominator we have log 5 minus log 6. So friend, this is the method to calculate this type of problem. This is the answer of this problem. You can put the value of log 6, log 5 here. Otherwise, this is the final answer of this problem. So friend, how my videos? Give your precious comment in the comment box and share my videos amongst your friends. Thank you for watching the video.